How to fix packet loss in Battlefield 6. Now, this I'm going to be providing you simple steps on how you can troubleshoot those, but those are just the most generic ones. So the one that is currently showing on your screen right now is actually from EA Help, which you can check if the services on EA games is actually down or not. So you can see here Battlefield or Battlefield 6, if this is currently online, so meaning there's no need for you to worry about the specific server itself because it is stable. However, the next thing you do is make sure that you're fully connected into your internet connection and at least to have a maximum signal bar. Next is go into your Windows icon, type in CMD, and make sure to run it as an administrator. Now the commands are going to be ipconfig space / flush DNS. Once you hit an enter, it will actually clear cache from EA Games or Battlefield 6 directly in your computer. Now, next thing to do is to reset the current network that you're using. Go back into the search box and type in network reset, like so. Click that in. Click on reset now, and it will actually refresh the current Wi-Fi connection you're in. So those are the very basic troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix packet loss in Battlefield 6.